welcome to online class. Student, in the last video we discussed about what is the atmosphere, what is the air. Okay. After that, our new topic is composition of air. Because in the last video I told that air is not a single compound or element. It is a mixture of many gases. So, what is the name of gases? What is their percentage? What is their importance? Okay. So first we discuss about what is the composition of air. So student, air is a mixture of many gases. Air is a mixture of many gases, and the major component of air is nitrogen gas. Air also contains oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and dust particle, and some other gases. So question is, what is the nitrogen gas? What is the percentage? So see student, in our whole atmosphere, the major component is the nitrogen. See student, nitrogen, total 78% nitrogen. In our atmosphere, total 78% nitrogen. After that, the next gas is oxygen, 21%. How much remain? 1%. So in the 1%, it contains carbon dioxide, water vapor, and dust particle. Total 1%. Clear? See student, in this chart. In this chart you see is the big column, nitrogen gas, their percentage 78. Next one, oxygen, their percentage 21%. After that, see argon gas, their percentage 0.90%. Carbon dioxide 0.03%, and other gases 0.17. In other gases contain water vapor, dust particle, and some other gases. Clear? So student, you know what is the nitrogen? Symbol nitrogen and atomic number 7. Atomic number 7. And you know student, nitrogen, two nitrogen joined together form the nitrogen molecule. So there is some importance of the nitrogen. So next thing, if 78% nitrogen, then what is their importance? And what is the importance of other gases? Because in generally we know about the importance of oxygen. All the animals, all the plants, they need oxygen and carbon dioxide. Animals, human beings. In the respiration process, we take oxygen and release carbon dioxide. Similarly, the plant, in the photosynthesis process, this process, plant make their own food. How? By the process of photosynthesis. So in the photosynthesis process, plant absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen gas. Clear? By the process of photosynthesis. But question is, in our atmosphere, the air percentage are same or everywhere? No. It depends on areas. Suppose the student in the carbon dioxide, their percent 0.03%. But 0.03% is everywhere? No. It depends on the area. Suppose that if in the any industrial areas where there are many factories, many companies, so in the particular area, the industries, the factory, they release the huge amount of carbon dioxide gas in the atmosphere. So the percentage of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere increases. In the some industrial areas, their percentage 2 to 3%. But in the other areas, in the village areas where no industries, no factories, and that particular area, the percentage of carbon dioxide are less. Clear? Similarly, water vapor, student, water vapor, by the process of water cycle, water change into the vapor form. So student, water change into the vapor form. How? When in the daytime, when the sun heat absorbed by the water, then it change to the water vapor and move the upside. Clear? So, in the coastal areas where the water bodies, ocean, sea, rivers, on that particular area, the percentage of water vapor are more. If you go to the desert areas where the no water bodies, no ocean, no rivers, and the particular areas, the percentage of water vapor are less. Clear? Similarly, the oxygen, their percentage 21%. But problem is there where the more plants in the forest areas or the particular areas, we get the more oxygen than the other areas where no forest. Clear? So, it depends on the area. So, their percentage change from place to place according to the condition. But total is the 100%. Okay. So, first thing, what is the nitrogen? What is the nitrogen? Student, nitrogen 78%. But problem is we are not able to take directly nitrogen from the atmosphere. Animals or human beings, we are not able to take directly nitrogen from the atmosphere. Only one gases we take directly from the atmosphere. You know the gas? Oxygen. Oxygen gas we directly able to take from the atmosphere. What is the importance of oxygen? In the respiration. And student, you know what is the respiration? In the respiration, we take oxygen and release the carbon dioxide. Clear? So first we discuss about the what is the nitrogen. See student. See. Nitrogen. Nitrogen is the colorless, tasteless and odorless gas. Means no color, no taste, no odor. And it present in the atmosphere. But you know what is the importance of nitrogen in our body? You know student, our body made by cell. Our body made by cell. And how the cell form? Cell formed by the protein. Cell formed by the protein. And you know the main component of protein is nitrogen. The main component of protein is nitrogen. Means nitrogen make protein and protein make the cell. After that, cell make the tissue, tissue make the organ make the organ system, and many organ systems join together and form one body. Clear? This is the importance of nitrogen. That's why student, for our growth, for our cells, we need protein. And how we get protein? Protein made by the nitrogen. That's why all the living things need nitrogen compound for their growth. The plant use nitrogen gas of the air to make proteins. These proteins are used by plant for their own growth as well as for the growth of human beings and other animals. So student, how we get nitrogen? We get nitrogen from the plants. And question, how the plant get nitrogen? Is there two process. In the plants, some plants whose root contain legumes. You know legumes? Small buds. Small, like example, like sugar cane, jaitha, clear? Peas. Their root contain small legume bud. And what is the importance of such buds? Such bud contain nitrogen fixing bacteria. And such nitrogen fixing bacteria, they take directly nitrogen from the atmosphere. And second things, how the plant get the nitrogen? From the urea. You know urea fertilizer? Urea contain nitrogen. So first we give to urea to plant. Plant absorb urea and growth. After that, when plant growth, then we take food from the plants, crops. Clear? Because how we get food? We get food from the plants. Our rice, our pulse, our vegetable, our food, everything we get from the plants. So first plant get nitrogen by the urea, by the nitrogen fixing bacteria, and after that such grain, such fruit, such vegetable we take from the plants. And after that such nitrogen enter in our bodies. And after that it protein change the cell, cell make the tissue, tissue make organ, organ make the organ system. So that's why student is the very important for our life. If no nitrogen, no protein, no cell, no tissue. They possible to growth. That's why when the child in the growing time, the doctor prescribes just take the proteinous food. Take the proteinous food. Why? Because such protein is responsible for the cell. And how the protein form? Protein made by the nitrogen. That's why we need to take proteinous food. We need to take Nutrilla. We need to take peas, pulses, which contain more protein. Okay, student. So there are some importance of the nitrogen. So the next topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.